Hi everyone, it's Deb. Okay, so if you watched my video yesterday, I believe it was, where I did some card shares, I also had some news towards the end of the video, wherein I told you that the Joyous Noel paper is no longer going to be available to customers. So, I have some, and if you were having your heart set on it, I am doing some product shares for you, and what they will include is two 6x6 squares of each sheet. So let me just, I didn't combine them here, I have them separate. So this is the first one that you get. It has copper foiling on it. The back is shades of green, Tranquil Tide shades of green. This is the next one, which has like the holly berry or the pine with berries, and again copper foiling, and it has Murray Merlot stripes. And then we have the Murray Merlot with copper snowflakes and white snowflakes and Sahara sand snowflakes. And on the back is this design, and I just thought of something I might throw in for you too. Based on this design, there's an actual copper element that goes with that, so I may throw in one each of those. The deer with the copper, I had used some of this before, and this on the back. So by having two 6x6 sheets, you can use it like this, you know, separate different ways. And then also this design, the berries or whatever they are copper foiled, and then green just dots on the back. And then the last one is this, looks like pine trees in the background with copper foiled pine needles or whatever, and then holly berries and pine branches on the back. So you get 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 6x6 pieces of Joyous Noel. This is specialty designer series paper, so it's more expensive than the regular $11 paper. You will also get one each of copper, Murray Merlot, and Tranquil Tide glimmer paper. You will also get one each of 8.5 by 11 coordinating colors in gray granite, which as you can see matches this one, Murray Merlot, Sahara sand, soft suede, Tranquil Tide, and the regular Whisper White, not the thick. So the regular Whisper White is actually a little bit thinner than the colored cardstocks. These are 90-pound weight. I don't know what that means. It might be 80 pound. The thick is probably more than what these are. So anyway, you get all of that. So you get 6 sheets of cardstock. One is Whisper White. You're going to get 2 pearlized doilies. And the back is not pearlized, it's just plain white, so you could actually color it however you want. The front side is a shiny pearlized white. And 1 yard approximately, because I can't cut straight, but approximately 36 inches of, excuse me, excuse me, Tranquil Tide velvet ribbon, which I just used in a card yesterday. This burlap, excuse me, this is actually cherry cobbler, but it coordinates well with Murray Merlot too. This burlap trim, and also a thinner ribbon in Whisper White. This is their 1/8 inch sheer ribbon, I think it's called. These two, the Tranquil Tide and the burlap one, are in the holiday catalog. This one's in the annual. But you're getting 36 inches approximately of those. And then what I might also add in is, hang on, just one of these copper snowflakes, or I'll probably give you the snowflakes since that's what the paper is. There's stars also, but I will give I have 4 kits available, so I'll give each person one of these snowflake elements in copper because it goes with the paper, in particular that one side. So the kit, I hate to use the number 13, but that's what I'm going to charge. $13. It came out in between 12 and 13, but adding this in, I'm closer to the 13 now for sure. So I'm going to make it $13. That includes shipping, and I'll probably take a little bit of a hit on shipping, but not that much, I think, because it's a little weighty with all this paper, but I think I can get it in a regular craft envelope, and it won't be too bulky because I'll spread these into 2 piles like so. Yeah, I think we can do 13 including shipping. If you're interested in this product share kit, please comment below. No, don't do that. Email me, DahliaDesigns57@gmail.com. I will put that below. $13 shipped. Hope it's a lucky 13, right? Anyway, and I will be happy to share product with you. The Joyous Noel paper, the whole pack, would have cost $14, and a 24 pack of these cost $15, and you're getting, you know, 3 out of 24, so an eighth of them. And I'm charging accordingly, and then one each of the cardstock, and that I would use the white one. Well, you use it however you want, but if you just cut these in half this way, that's 2 card bases per each color, or you can use one as a card base and use the other one for your designs. So yeah, let me know if you'd be interested in one of these, and I will ship them out sometime this week. I can't promise it would be tomorrow, but it would be sometime this week. Busy week. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna have another one. This one's a little more. I was charging $8 for the non-holiday, non-specialty designer paper, but I did the calculation. Stampin' Up has a calculator thing for unit pricing, and it came up, plus I added an appropriate amount for shipping, which is really $3.60, and it might end up costing me $6.70, but I'm gonna stick with the $13. So if you're interested, let me know, and I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Bye.